Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Yes, you will see this look again in another video. It is a hair dye video. Either way, I had got something in the mail today that I have been working on for almost a year. I have been doing this over and over and over again. As you read by the title, this is going to be my first Influenster box, VoxBox as they call it. I got mine in Jif peanut butter, which I know this is a beauty channel. I get it, but I also have a life and an opinion. I love Jif peanut butter. The creamy, I was one of those choosy moms that chose Jif for my children. Both of my children are grown. I'm fixing to be a grandmother, and I will still choose Jif as the peanut butter that I keep in my house. But guys, let me show you the coolest thing. So Influenster, you have to go on their website and you have to do reviews of products that you have tried or use or want to try or want to use. You should see the dogs. I have peanut butter sitting here and they have not left my side. Do you want to see? Look at them too. Just sitting there. Just sitting there waiting on peanut butter. What's it, peanut butter? Sorry, but it's too cute not to. Anyway, with Influencer, you have to go on, you have to do their reviews, you have to stay continuous with it. I thought I would never get a VoxBox, and when I got the email, I will put a picture in, when I got my email that said I had been approved for a VoxBox, I about died. And that I got Jif peanut butter. This is America's favorite peanut butter. I get that a lot of people are allergic to peanuts, peanut butter, and that kind of thing. But if you're not, I'm telling you, Jif is the way to go. It is the best tasting peanut butter. And I like my peanut butter on celery. I also like it on crackers and peanut butter and jelly, but I do mine. This is what they sent me. This is 13 ounces and it's in a squeeze tube. Oh, I had my babies in the 90s. If we had squeeze tubes, that would have been awesome. I mean, you don't have to dig in the jar and get peanut butter all over your finger from the spoon. And I do my peanut butter and jelly different. I do a spoonful of peanut butter and then a spoonful of jelly, and then I mix it into like this purple paste, because I don't like jelly boogers in my peanut butter and jelly. That's the way I choose to eat it. I've done that for my children, the whole 9 yards. So I was super excited to get to try out Jif peanut butter. Like I said, this was sent to me free for review from Influenster. So if you have not gone on and found out about this, guys, I'm telling you, go on there, give it a try. Squeeze creamy peanut butter Jif. Super excited about this. You take this camping, you can take this on the boat. Living in Arkansas, we do a lot of on the water. This is great. I love this. So, Influencer, Jif, thank you very much. Childhood memories, I'm telling you. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, and you don't like Jif peanut butter, give it a thumbs down. Either way, thank you for tuning into this video and watching it. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Please do go over, check out Influencer. And like I said, thank you again. Thank you for being here. And until next time, guys, stay beautiful. Bye.